500 kalimat bahasa Inggris dan artinya. I'm yours, you are mine. I'm yours, you are mine. Aku milikmu, kamu milikku. Thank you for always being my rainbow after the storm. Thank you for always being my rainbow after the storm. Terima kasih karena selalu menjadi pelangiku setelah badai. Seeing your smile is happiness for me. Seeing your smile is happiness for me. Melihat senyummu adalah kebahagiaan bagiku. Having you is the most beautiful gift in my life. Having you is the most beautiful gift in my life. Memilikimu adalah hadiah yang paling indah dalam hidupku. I love you more than any word can say. I love you more than any word can say. Saya mencintaimu lebih dari sebatas kata yang bisa diucapkan. Every time I look into your eyes, I know you are the one for me. Every time I look into your eyes, I know you are the one for me. Setiap kali saya melihat ke dalam matamu, saya tahu kamu adalah orang yang tepat untukku. I hope that you will know how happy I am when I meet you. I hope that you will know how happy I am when I meet you. Saya harap kamu tahu betapa bahagianya saya saat bertemu denganmu. I just wanna say something. I love you. That's all. I just wanna say something. I love you. That's all. Saya hanya ingin mengatakan sesuatu. Saya cinta kamu. Itu saja. Being in love with you makes every day an interesting one. Being in love with you makes every day an interesting one. Jatuh cinta denganmu membuat setiap hari menjadi hari yang menarik. If I could go with you in the dream, I would continue to sleep. If I could go with you in the dream, I would continue to sleep. Jika saya bisa pergi denganmu dalam mimpi, saya akan lanjut tidur. When I talk to you, I fall in love over and over again. When I talk to you, I fall in love over and over again. Ketika saya berbicara denganmu, saya jatuh cinta lagi dan lagi. Since you've been around, I smile a lot. Since you've been around, I smile a lot. Sejak kamu ada, saya banyak tersenyum. I'm much more me when I'm with you. I'm much more me when I'm with you. Saya lebih menjadi diri saya saat saya bersamamu. Everything reminds me of you. Everything reminds me of you. Semuanya mengingatkanku padamu. When I talk to you, my days get much better. When I talk to you, my days get much better. Ketika saya berbicara dengan kamu, hari-hari saya menjadi jauh lebih baik. I think I'm gonna love you for a long time. I think I'm gonna love you for a long time. Saya pikir saya akan mencintaimu untuk waktu yang lama. The first time I saw you, my heart whispered, "You are mine." The first time I saw you, my heart whispered, "You are mine." Pertama kali saya melihatmu, hati saya berbisik, "Kau milikku." You are beautiful in every way. You are beautiful in every way. Kamu cantik dalam segala hal. When I'm with you, hours like seconds, but when we're apart, days feel like years. When I'm with you, hours feel like seconds, but when we're apart, days feel like years. Saat saya bersamamu, jam terasa seperti detik, tapi saat kita berpisah, hari terasa seperti bertahun-tahun. True love doesn't have a happy ending, but true love has no ending. True love doesn't have a happy ending, but true love has no ending. Cinta sejati tidak memiliki akhir yang bahagia, tetapi cinta sejati tidak memiliki akhir. Love is not about how much you say I love you, but how much you can prove that it's true. Love is not about how much you say I love you, but how much you can prove that it's true. Cinta bukan tentang seberapa banyak kamu mengatakan aku mencintaimu, tapi seberapa besar kamu membuktikan bahwa itu benar. No matter how busy a person is, if they really care, they will always find time for you. No matter how busy a person is, if they really care, they will always find time for you. Sesibuk apapun seseorang, jika dia benar-benar peduli, dia akan selalu menemukan waktu untukmu. Luck is when you love someone and he or she loves you too. Luck is when you love someone and he or she loves you too. Keberuntungan adalah ketika kamu mencintai seseorang dan dia juga mencintai kamu. To love someone is nothing. To be loved by someone is something, but to love and to be loved by the same person is everything. To love someone is nothing. To be loved by someone is something, but to love and to be loved by the same person is everything. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Saya mencintaimu dari hati saya yang paling dalam. You mean so much to me. You mean so much to me. Kamu sangat berarti untukku. You are all I want. You are all I want. Kamu adalah segalanya yang saya inginkan. We belong together. We belong together. Kita saling memiliki. You are my type. You are my type. Kamu adalah tipeku. I am a flower and you are the sunshine. I am a flower and you are the sunshine. Saya adalah bunga dan kamu adalah cahaya matahari. We complete each other. We complete each other. Kita saling melengkapi. You are the best person ever in my life. You are the best person ever in my life. Kamu adalah orang terbaik yang pernah ada dalam kehidupanku. You are my true love. You are my true love. Kamu adalah cinta sejatiku. I love you to the moon and back. I love you to the moon and back. Saya mencintaimu sampai kapanpun. I'm crazy about you. I'm crazy about you. Saya tergila-gila padamu. You are the only one for me. You are the only one for me. Kamulah satu-satunya untukku. You are my everything. You are my everything. Kamu segalanya bagiku. I care for you deeply. I care for you deeply. Saya sangat peduli padamu. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Saya jatuh cinta padamu. Thank you for loving me just the way I am. Thank you for loving me just the way I am. Terima kasih telah mencintaiku apa adanya. I'm falling in love with you. I'm falling in love with you. Saya jatuh cinta padamu. I think I'm in love with you. I think I'm in love with you. Saya pikir saya jatuh cinta padamu. My love for you is eternal and unconditional. My love for you is eternal and unconditional. Cintaku padamu abadi dan tanpa syarat. You stole my heart. You stole my heart. Kamu mencuri hatiku. To love you and to be loved by you is my happiness. To love you and to be loved by you is my happiness. Mencintaimu dan dicintai oleh kamu adalah kebahagiaanku. Today, I love you. Tomorrow, I'll still love you. Forever, I love you even more. Today, I love you. Tomorrow, I'll still love you. Forever, I love you even more. Hari ini saya mencintaimu. Besok, saya masih mencintaimu. Selamanya, saya akan mencintaimu. Sit down nicely, please. Sit down nicely, please. Duduk dengan baik ya. Please walk slowly. Please walk slowly. Jalan pelan-pelan ya. Please read loudly. Please read loudly. Tolong baca dengan keras. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Nyalakan lampunya. Open the door, please. Open the door, please. Tolong buka pintunya. Clean your room. Clean your room. Bersihkan kamarmu. Be polite, please. Be polite, please. Bersikaplah sopan. Be quiet. Be quiet. Harap tenang. Be nice. Be nice. Bersikaplah yang baik. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. Jangan bikin saya marah. Don't talk too loud. Don't talk too loud. Jangan bicara terlalu keras. Don't close the window. Don't close the window. Jangan tutup jendela itu. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Jangan malas. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Jangan takut. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Jangan kasar. Can you help me? Can you help me? Bisakah kamu membantu saya? Would you help me, please? Would you help me, please? Bisakah kamu membantu saya? Please help me. Please help me. Tolong bantu saya. You should wake up early. You should wake up early. Kamu seharusnya bangun lebih awal. You should sleep early. You should sleep early. Kamu seharusnya tidur lebih awal. You should help your parents. You should help your parents. Kamu seharusnya membantu orang tuamu. I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. Saya bangun terlambat tadi pagi. I drank a glass of milk an hour ago. I drank a glass of milk an hour ago. Saya minum segelas susu sejam yang lalu. I ate fried rice yesterday. I ate fried rice yesterday. Saya makan nasi goreng kemarin. I will buy some food. I will buy some food. Saya akan beli makanan. I will go to your house. I will go to your house. Saya akan pergi ke rumahmu. I will sleep earlier tonight. I will sleep earlier tonight. Saya akan tidur lebih awal malam ini. I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. Saya sedang baca buku. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Saya sedang memasak. I'm doing my homework. I'm doing my homework. Saya sedang mengerjakan PR. I'm not reading a book. I'm not reading a book. Saya tidak sedang baca buku. I'm not cooking. I'm not cooking. Saya tidak sedang memasak. I'm not doing my homework. I'm not doing my homework. Saya tidak sedang mengerjakan PR. Are you reading a book? Are you reading a book? Apakah kamu sedang baca buku? Are you still cooking? Are you still cooking? Apakah kamu sedang memasak? Are you doing your homework? Are you doing your homework? Apakah kamu sedang mengerjakan PR? I am sleepy. I'm sleepy. Saya ngantuk. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Saya lapar. I'm tired. I'm tired. Saya lelah. I'm not sleepy. I'm not sleepy. Saya tidak ngantuk. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Saya tidak lapar. I'm not tired. I'm not tired. Saya tidak lelah. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Apakah kamu ngantuk? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Apakah kamu lapar? Kamu lapar ya? Are you tired? Are you tired? Apakah kamu lelah? Kamu lelah ya? I want to sleep. I want to sleep. Saya ingin tidur. I want to eat. I want to eat. Saya ingin makan. I want to take a bath. I want to take a bath. Saya ingin mandi. I don't want to sleep. I don't want to sleep. Saya tidak ingin tidur. I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat. Saya tidak ingin makan. I don't want to take a bath. I don't want to take a bath. Saya tidak ingin mandi. Do you want to sleep? Do you want to sleep? Apakah kamu ingin tidur? Apakah kamu mau tidur? Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat? Apakah kamu ingin makan? Apakah kamu mau makan? Do you want to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath? Apakah kamu ingin mandi? Apakah kamu mau mandi? I have two younger sisters. I have two younger sisters. Saya punya dua adik perempuan. I have enough money. I have enough money. Saya punya cukup uang. I have some storybooks. I have some storybooks. Saya punya beberapa buku cerita. I don't have any younger sisters. I don't have any younger sisters. Saya tidak punya adik perempuan. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. Saya tidak punya cukup uang. I don't have any storybooks. I don't have any storybooks. Saya tidak punya buku cerita. Do you have any younger sisters? Do you have any younger sisters? Apakah kamu punya adik perempuan? Do you have enough money? Do you have enough money? Apakah kamu punya cukup uang? Do you have any storybooks? Do you have any storybooks? Apakah kamu punya buku cerita? You can do it. You can do it. Kamu bisa melakukannya. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. Kamu akan baik-baik saja. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Teruskan hal itu. You'll do great. You'll do great. Just don't give up for now. Just don't give up for now. Kamu akan melakukannya dengan baik. Jangan menyerah dulu. Don't worry too much. Just do it. Don't worry too much. Just do it. Jangan terlalu khawatir. Lakukan saja. Come on, just go for it. Come on, just go for it. Ayo, lakukan saja. Keep it up. Keep it up. Teruskan. Stay strong. Stay strong. Tetap kuat. Just do it. Just do it. Lakukan saja. Go for it. Go for it. Lakukan hal itu. I'm sure you can do it. I'm sure you can do it. Saya yakin kamu bisa melakukan hal itu. Wow, your progress is amazing. Keep up the good work. Wow, your progress is amazing. Keep up the good work. Wow, kemajuanmu luar biasa. Pertahankan kerja yang bagus. Don't worry, you'll be okay. Don't worry, you will be okay. Jangan khawatir, kamu akan baik-baik saja. Keep it up, you are almost there. Keep it up, you are almost there. Teruskan, kamu hampir sampai. Stay strong, you'll go through it. Stay strong, you'll go through it. Tetap kuat, kamu akan melaluinya. Don't be like that. Jangan begitu. Don't be like this. Jangan begini. Of course, certainly, sure, tentu saja. Of course not, tentu saja tidak. Hurry up, be quick, cepetan, buruan. Wait, tunggu. What happened? Apa yang terjadi? What happened to your parents? Apa yang terjadi dengan orang tuamu? Unfortunately, sayangnya. Fortunately, no. Untungnya tidak. Anything else? Ada lagi yang lain? Who else? Siapa lagi? Keep going. Teruskan. Let it be. Biarlah. Go ahead. Lanjutkan. Keep calm. Tetap tenang. Take it easy. Santai saja. Do the best. Lakukan yang terbaik. Hurry up. Cepat. Stay cool. Tetap tenang. Listen and repeat. Dengar dan tirukan. Listen to your teacher carefully. Dengarkan gurumu dengan baik. Close the door. Tutup pintu. Open the window. Buka jendela. Say it right now. Katakan sekarang. Wash that dishes. Cuci piring-piring itu. Do it now. Kerjakan sekarang. Catch that thief. Tangkap pencuri itu. Take care of your brother. Jaga adikmu. Submit the report to the manager right now. Kumpulkan laporan itu kepada manajer sekarang juga. Throw that rubbish away. Buang sampah itu. Go away. Pergilah. Stop saying crazy things. Berhentilah mengatakan hal-hal gila. Stop talking about that. Berhentilah bicara tentang itu. Stop crying, please. Berhentilah menangis. Cook pasta for me. I'm hungry now. Masakkan pasta untuk saya. Saya lapar sekarang. Hurry up, please. Buruan ya. Come here please. Datang ke sini ya. Write it down please. Tulis ya. Please help me. Tolong bantu saya. Please stay with me. Tolong tinggal sama saya. Please give me some money. Tolong berikan saya uang. Be quick. I don't want to be late. Cepatlah. Saya tidak ingin terlambat. Be patient. Sabarlah. Be a good student. Jadilah murid yang baik. Please be quiet. Tolong diam. For your information. Sebagai informasi. By the way, ngomong-ngomong, any questions? Ada pertanyaan? Have a nice day. Semoga harimu menyenangkan. Happy weekend. Selamat berakhir pekan. Have a good time. Selamat bersenang-senang. Let's get started. Mari kita mulai. Let's do it. Ayo kita lakukan. Let me try. Biarkan aku mencoba. It's over. Ini sudah berakhir. Good job. Kerja yang bagus. Just a minute. Sebentar. I'm in bad mood. Saya dalam suasana hati yang buruk. As soon as possible. Secepat mungkin. What should I do? Apa yang harus saya lakukan? Whatever. Terserah. Sounds good. Kedengarannya bagus. Can you give this book to your friend? Bisakah kamu memberikan buku ini ke temanmu? Can you go with me? Bisakah kamu pergi dengan saya? Can you wait for me for 10 minutes? Bisakah kamu menunggu saya 10 menit? Can you wait for me about 5 minutes? Bisakah kamu tunggu saya kira-kira 5 menit? Can you come to my house this evening? Bisakah kamu datang ke rumahku malam ini? Can you come to my house at 5? Bisakah kamu datang ke rumah saya jam 5? Can you come at 8? Bisakah kamu datang jam 8? Can you go home before 10 tonight? Bisakah kamu pulang sebelum jam 10 malam ini? Can you meet me after lunch? Bisakah kamu menemui saya setelah makan siang? Can you type this letter? Bisakah kamu mengetik surat ini? Can you show me the way to Gramedia Bookstore? Bisakah kamu menunjukkan ke saya jalan ke toko buku Gramedia? Can you speak faster, please? Bisakah kamu bicara lebih cepat? Can you speak louder? Bisakah kamu bicara lebih keras? Can you speak slower? Bisakah kamu bicara lebih pelan? Can you drive a car? Bisakah kamu mengendarai mobil? Can you come to my graduation party? Bisakah kamu datang ke pesta lulusan saya? Can you take me to his house? Bisakah kamu mengantar saya ke rumahnya? Can I pay with credit card? Bisakah saya membayar dengan kartu kredit? Can you call me at 9? Bisa nggak telepon saya jam 9? May I know? Boleh saya tahu? May I speak to your manager, please? Bolehkah saya bicara dengan pimpinan Anda? May I help your secretary? Bolehkah saya membantu sekretarismu? May I borrow your dictionary? Bolehkah saya pinjam kamus Anda? May I come to your house? Bolehkah saya datang ke rumahmu? Do you understand? Apakah kamu mengerti? Do you have time for chatting? Apakah kamu punya waktu untuk chatting? Do you speak English? Apakah kamu bicara bahasa Inggris? Do you have a car? Apakah kamu punya mobil? Do you love him? Apakah kamu cinta dia? Do you know him? Apakah kamu kenal dia? Do you like going to a party? Apakah kamu suka pergi ke pesta? Do you want to buy a dictionary? Apakah kamu mau beli kamus? Would you take me to the airport? Maukah kamu mengantar saya ke bandara? Would you leave a message, please? Maukah kamu meninggalkan pesan? Would you mind coming to my house? Maukah kamu datang ke rumah saya? Would you go with me? Maukah kamu pergi dengan saya? Are you happy? Apakah kamu bahagia? Are you happy this time? Apakah kamu bahagia saat ini? Are you hungry? Apakah kamu lapar? Are you busy? Apakah kamu sibuk? Are you ready? Apakah kamu siap? Are you sure? Apakah kamu yakin? Are you kidding? Kamu bercanda. Are you coming? Apakah kamu datang? Are there many people in front of my house? Apakah ada banyak orang di depan rumahmu? Are they coming next Saturday? Apakah mereka akan datang hari Sabtu yang akan datang? Are you coming with your children? Apakah kamu datang dengan anak-anakmu? Are there many people in front of my house? Apakah ada banyak orang di depan rumahmu? Are there many people in front of my house? Apakah ada banyak orang di depan rumahmu? Is he famous? Apakah dia terkenal? Is the place far from here? Apakah tempatnya jauh dari sini? Is he angry? Apakah dia marah? Is he sick? Apakah dia sakit? Is it raining now? Apakah sekarang hujan? Is that possible? Apakah itu mungkin? Is there a hospital near here? Apakah ada rumah sakit dekat sini? Is English difficult? Apakah bahasa Inggris sulit? Is this the first time for you to eat this food? Apakah ini yang pertama kalinya kamu makan makanan ini? Is he coming to your party? Apakah dia datang ke pesta ulang tahunmu? What is your favorite movie? Apa film kesukaanmu? What film do you want to watch? Film apa yang ingin kamu tonton? What are you going to do tonight? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan malam ini? What is your question? Apa pertanyaanmu? What are you thinking? Apa yang sedang kamu pikirkan? What are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? What is he doing now? Apa yang sedang dia lakukan sekarang? What is he reading? Apa yang sedang dia baca? What is your nationality? Apa kebangsaanmu? What day are you coming to my office? Hari apa kamu mau datang ke kantor saya? What day do people usually come here? Hari apa biasanya orang-orang datang ke sini? What is your uncle's phone number? Berapa nomor telepon pamanmu? What day is today? Hari ini hari apa? What day was yesterday? Kemarin hari apa? What time will they come? Jam berapa mereka akan datang? What time did you get up this morning? Jam berapa kamu bangun tadi pagi? What time do you think you will arrive? Jam berapa kira-kira kamu akan datang? What time will the program start? Jam berapa acaranya dimulai? How is your business? Bagaimana bisnis Anda? How was your holiday? Bagaimana liburan Anda? How is your mother? Bagaimana kabar ibumu? How much does this book cost? Berapa harga buku ini? How much is the price of this coloring paper? Berapa harga kertas mewarnai ini? How much did you pay your school fee last semester? Berapa kamu bayar uang sekolahmu semester yang lalu? How much will you give him? Berapa kamu akan kasih dia? How much does this book cost? Berapa harga buku ini? How much do you pay for our lunch today? Berapa kamu bayar untuk makan siang kita hari ini? How much did you pay your school fee last semester? Berapa kamu bayar uang sekolahmu semester yang lalu? How many students are there in your class? Ada berapa siswa di kelas kamu? How many children do you have? Anda punya anak berapa? How long have you been waiting for me? Sudah berapa lama kamu menunggu saya? How long are you going to stay in Jakarta? Berapa lama kamu akan tinggal di Jakarta? How long have you been studying English? Sudah berapa lama kamu belajar bahasa Inggris? How long are you going to stay in Jakarta? Berapa lama kamu akan tinggal di Jakarta? Which language is easier for you? English or French? Bahasa apa yang lebih mudah untuk kamu? Bahasa Inggris atau bahasa Perancis? Which one do you like? The red one or the blue one? Yang mana yang kamu suka? Yang merah? Apa yang biru? Where do you want to go for holiday? Kemana kamu mau pergi liburan? Where did you put your bag? Di mana kamu menaruh tas kamu? Where do you usually go on Sundays? Kemana biasanya kamu pergi pada hari Minggu? Where will we go? Kemana kita akan pergi? Where can I buy laptop? Di mana saya bisa beli laptop? Where did you go yesterday? Kemana kamu pergi kemarin? Where will you go tomorrow? Kemana kamu akan pergi besok? Where should I meet your manager? Di mana saya bisa menemui pimpinan kamu? When did your grandfather pass away? Kapan kakekmu meninggal? When is he coming? Kapan dia datang? When did you meet her for the first time? Kapan kamu ketemu dia untuk pertama kalinya? When will you come to my house? Kapan kamu akan datang ke rumah saya? When will you sing a song for me? Kapan kamu akan menyanyikan lagu untuk saya? When is your father coming? Kapan ayahmu datang? When is he coming back to Jakarta? Kapan dia akan kembali ke Jakarta? When are you going to pick up his guest? Kapan kamu akan menjemput tamunya? When do you usually call your mother? Jam berapa kamu biasanya menelpon ibumu? When was the last time you talked to your father? Kapan terakhir kali kamu ngobrol sama bapakmu? Have you ever seen that before? Apakah kamu sudah pernah melihat itu sebelumnya? Has your mother been to Singapore before? Apakah ibumu sudah pernah ke Singapura sebelumnya? Have you eaten lunch? Have you eaten lunch? Sudah makan siang? Who told you? Who told you? Siapa yang ngasih tahu kamu? Why are you here? Why are you here? Kenapa kamu ada di sini? What do you want to learn? Writing or speaking? What do you want to learn? Writing or speaking? Kamu mau belajar apa? Nulis apa ngomong? How do you know? How do you know? Dari mana kamu tahu? Can you read this sentence? Can you read this sentence? Bisakah kamu baca kalimat ini? Why are you late? Why are you late? Why do you come late? Why do you come late? Kenapa kamu telat? Which one is mine? Which one is mine? Yang mana yang punya saya? What did the doctor say? What did the doctor say? Apa yang dikatakan dokter? Where can I buy it? Where can I buy it? Di mana saya bisa beli itu? Do you want to have breakfast with me? Do you want to have breakfast with me? Apakah kamu mau sarapan denganku? Can you pick me up at the station? Can you pick me up at the station? Apakah kamu bisa jemput saya di stasiun? Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Siapa guru kamu? Who broke my new plate? Who broke my new plate? Siapa yang memecahkan piring baru saya? When did you meet him at the first time? When did you meet him at the first time? Kapan kamu ketemu dia pertama kalinya? Is this your first trip abroad? Is this your first trip abroad? Apakah ini pertama kalinya kamu bepergian ke luar negeri? Can you sign here? Can you sign here? Bisakah kamu tanda tangan di sini? May I try it on? May I try it on? Boleh saya mencobanya? What are you doing? What are you doing? Kamu lagi ngapain? What are you thinking of? What are you thinking of? Kamu lagi mikirin apa? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Kamu lagi nungguin apa sih? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Kamu sedang nyari apa? Kamu lagi nyari apa sih? Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Mau nambah lagi? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Kenapa saya melakukan itu ya? Can you keep a secret? Can you keep a secret? Bisakah kamu jaga rahasia? Has he written the book? Has he written the book? Apakah dia sudah mengembalikan buku? Dia sudah mengembalikan buku belum? Have you sent your monthly report? Have you sent your monthly report? Apakah kamu sudah mengirim laporan bulananmu? Kamu sudah ngirim laporan bulananmu belum? What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? Apa yang kamu lakukan di waktu luangmu? What time is it? What time is it? Jam berapa sekarang? What is the meaning of? What is the meaning of? Apa artinya? Atau terjemahannya? What are you doing? What are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? What should I do? What should I do? Apa yang seharusnya saya lakukan? What is it? What is it? Apa ini? Where is Echo? Where is Echo? Di mana Echo? Where do you come from? Where do you come from? Kamu berasal dari mana? Where will you go tomorrow? Where will you go tomorrow? Kamu akan pergi kemana besok? Where have you been? Where have you been? Dari mana saja kamu? Where do you buy that laptop? Where do you buy that laptop? Di mana kamu beli laptop itu? Where can I pray? Where can I pray? Di mana saya bisa sholat? When will your friend go to London? When will your friend go to London? Kapan temanmu akan pergi ke London? When will you come to my house? When will you come to my house? Kapan kamu akan datang ke rumah saya? When will the competition start? When will the competition start? Kapan lombanya akan dimulai? When will your father go home? When will your father go home? Kapan ayahmu akan pulang? When will you sign this letter? When will you sign this letter? Kapan kamu akan menandatangani surat ini? When will you sing for me? When will you sing for me? Kapan kamu akan menyanyi untuk saya? Why do you love me? Why do you love me? Kenapa kamu mencintai saya? Why do you need me? Why do you need me? Kenapa kamu membutuhkan saya? Why is that bag so expensive? Why is that bag so expensive? Kenapa tas itu sangat mahal? Why are you here? Why are you here? Kenapa kamu di sini? Why did you come late? Why did you come late? Kenapa kamu datang terlambat? Why didn't you kick the ball? Why didn't you kick the ball? Kenapa kamu tidak menendang bolanya? Who is cooking in the kitchen? Who is cooking in the kitchen? Siapa yang sedang memasak di dapur? Who will be the next member? Who will be the next member? Siapa yang akan menjadi anggota selanjutnya? Who are you? Who are you? Siapa kamu? Whose book is that? Whose book is that? Buku siapa itu? Whose pencil is it? Whose pencil is it? Pensil siapa ini? Whose handphone is on the table? Whose handphone is on the table? Handphone siapa yang ada di atas meja? Did he drink tea every day? Did he drink tea every day? Apakah dia minum teh setiap hari? Does she understand Japanese? Does she understand Japanese? Apakah dia mengerti bahasa Jepang? Does he go to school every day? Does he go to school every day? Apakah dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Do you write 5 letters every week? Do you write 5 letters every week? Apakah kamu menulis 5 surat setiap minggu? What do you do on Sundays? What do you do on Sundays? Apa yang kamu lakukan pada hari Minggu? What do you do on Sundays? What do they write every day? What do they write every day? Apa yang mereka tulis setiap hari? What do they write every day? What do you think about my idea? What do you think about my idea? Bagaimana menurut Anda tentang ide saya? What do you think about my idea? What does he type every evening? What does he type every evening? Apa yang dia ketik setiap malam? What does he type every evening? What does Andri bring for you every Saturday? What does Andri bring for you every Saturday? Apa yang Andri bawa untukmu setiap hari Sabtu? What does Andri bring for you every Saturday? What did your mom cook yesterday? What did your mom cook yesterday? Apa yang dimasak ibumu kemarin? Ibumu masak apa kemarin? What did your mom cook yesterday? What did he watch last night? What did he watch last night? Apa yang dia tonton tadi malam? What did he watch last night? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Apa makanan kesukaanmu? What is your favorite food? What is this? What is this? Apa ini? What is this? What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Apa hobimu? What are your hobbies? What is his job? What is his job? Apa pekerjaan dia? What is his job? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? Jenis musik apa yang kamu suka? What kind of music do you like? What kind of food do you like? What kind of food do you like? Jenis makanan apa yang kamu suka? What kind of food do you like? What magazine did he read last night? What magazine did he read last night? Majalah apa yang dia baca tadi malam? What magazine did he read last night? What book did you buy yesterday? What book did you buy yesterday? Buku apa yang kamu beli kemarin? What book did you buy yesterday? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan di sini? What are you doing here? What is the solution for this problem? What is the solution for this problem? Apa solusi dari masalah ini? What is the solution for this problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? Apa masalahmu? What is your problem? What do you usually do in your free time? What do you usually do in your free time? Apa yang biasanya kamu lakukan di waktu luangmu? What do you usually do in your free time? What did they buy 2 days ago? What did they buy 2 days ago? Apa yang dia beli 2 hari yang lalu? What did they buy 2 days ago? What did she bring for us last night? What did she bring for us last night? Apa yang dia bawa untuk kita tadi malam? What did she bring for us last night? What will you do tonight? What will you do tonight? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan malam ini? What will you do tonight? What will you buy for him? What will you buy for him? Apa yang akan kamu beli untuk dia? What will you buy for him? What is his job? What is his job? Apa pekerjaannya? What is his job? What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan di sana? What are you doing there? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Apa yang sedang kamu pikirkan? What are you thinking? What kind of books do you like? What kind of books do you like? Jenis buku apa yang kamu suka? What kind of books do you like? What newspaper does your friend read every day? What newspaper does your friend read every day? Koran apa yang temanmu baca setiap hari? What newspaper does your friend read every day? What food don't you like? What food don't you like? Makanan apa yang kamu tidak suka? What food don't you like? What books have you read? What books have you read? Buku-buku apa yang sudah kamu baca? What books have you read? What countries have you visited? What countries have you visited? Negara apa saja yang sudah kamu kunjungi? What countries have you visited? What color is your car? What color is your car? Apa warna mobilmu? What color is your car? I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Saya turut sedih mendengarnya. That is terrible. I feel bad about it. That is terrible. I feel bad about it. Itu sangat buruk. Saya merasa tidak enak mendengarnya. I'm sorry not to come to your wedding day. I'm sorry not to come to your wedding day. Maaf, saya tidak datang ke hari pernikahanmu. I'm doing nothing. I'm doing nothing. Saya tidak melakukan apa-apa. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. Saya tidak melakukan apa-apa. I don't have any plans. I don't have any plans. Saya tidak punya acara. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to go anywhere. Saya tidak ingin pergi kemana-mana. Are you busy today? Are you busy today? Apakah kamu sibuk hari ini? Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? Apakah kamu mau ikut kami? Do you want to buy this magazine? Do you want to buy this magazine? Apakah kamu ingin membeli majalah ini? Do you want to go with me? Do you want to go with me? Apakah kamu mau pergi dengan saya? There is something I have to do. There is something I have to do. Ada sesuatu yang harus saya lakukan. There are many books in my bag. There are many books in my bag. Ada banyak buku di tas saya. Could you buy me an umbrella? Could you buy me an umbrella? Bisakah Anda membelikan saya payung? Could you please bring me a glass of water? Could you please bring me a glass of water? Bisakah kamu membawakan saya segelas air putih? Do you need my help? Do you need my help? Apakah kamu butuh bantuan saya? Do you want me to visit your family? Do you want me to visit your family? Apakah kamu mau saya mengunjungi keluargamu? What can I do? What can I do? Apa yang saya bisa lakukan? What can we do for our country? What can we do for our country? Apa yang bisa kita lakukan untuk negara kita? May I ask you something? May I ask you something? Bolehkah saya bertanya sesuatu ke kamu? May I use this laptop? May I use this laptop? Bolehkah saya menggunakan laptop ini? What do you usually do on Saturday night? What do you usually do on Saturday night? Apa yang biasa kamu lakukan di malam minggu? What do you like doing in your spare time? What do you like doing in your spare time? Apa yang kamu senang lakukan di waktu senggangmu? I will call you later. I will call you later. Saya akan menelpon kamu lagi nanti. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Kita bicara lagi di lain waktu. Well done. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it up. Bagus sekali. Teruskan. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Kamu sangat baik. Could you please close the door? Bisakah kamu menutup pintu? Could you help me, please? Bisakah kamu membantuku? Can you help me? Bisakah kamu menolongku? Can you help me to do this homework? Bisakah kamu membantu saya mengerjakan PR ini? May I ask you something? Bolehkah saya bertanya sesuatu? May I help you? Bolehkah saya membantumu? Would you mind closing the door, please? Apakah kamu keberatan untuk menutup pintu? Would you mind opening the window? Keberatankah kamu membuka jendela? Open the door, please. Tolong buka pintunya. Please move this chair. Tolong pindahkan kursi ini. Could you lend me your blue t-shirt? Bisakah kamu meminjamkan ke saya kaos birumu? Could you lend me 1 million rupiah? Bisakah kamu meminjamkan ke saya 1 juta rupiah? Would you like to help me? Maukah kamu membantuku? Would you like a cup of tea? Maukah kamu secangkir teh? Would you mind if I sit here? Apakah tidak apa-apa jika saya duduk di sini? Would you mind if I open the window? Apakah kamu keberatan jika saya membuka jendela? Okay, no problem. Okay, tidak masalah. Certainly, of course. Tentu saja. Sorry, I'm busy. Maaf, saya sibuk. Sorry, I cannot help you. Maaf, saya tidak bisa bantu kamu. I can do it myself. I can do it by myself. Saya bisa melakukannya sendiri. Don't worry, I can do it. Jangan khawatir, saya bisa melakukannya. You look wonderful today. You look wonderful today. Kamu terlihat luar biasa hari ini. You really outstanding. You really outstanding. Kamu benar-benar luar biasa. You really wonderful. You really wonderful. Kamu benar-benar luar biasa. You are an incredible friend. You are an incredible friend. Kamu adalah teman yang luar biasa. You're really talented. You're really talented. Kamu benar-benar berbakat. Good job. Well done. Good job. Well done. Kerja yang bagus. You've worked hard. You've worked hard. Kamu telah bekerja keras. You are so cool. You are so cool. Kamu sangat keren. You are doing great. You are doing great. Kamu hebat banget. You did well. You did well. Kamu melakukannya dengan baik. I watched the video you made last night. That was remarkable. I watched the video you made last night. That was remarkable. Saya nonton video yang kamu buat tadi malam. Itu luar biasa. The report you submitted yesterday was great. You've worked hard. The report you submitted yesterday was great. You've worked hard. Laporan yang kamu serahkan kemarin sangat bagus. Kamu sudah bekerja keras. The speech you gave this morning was great. You are so cool. The speech you gave this morning was great. You are so cool. Pidato yang kamu sampaikan pagi ini sangat bagus. Kamu keren banget. The feedback of your product is really good. I'm proud of you. The feedback of your product is really good. I'm proud of you. Umpan balik produk kamu sangat bagus. Saya bangga padamu. Your speech in front of the class is cool. You're such a good speaker. Your speech in front of the class is cool. You're such a good speaker. Pidatomu di depan kelas keren. Kamu pembicara yang baik. Your latest report is getting better than before. I know you can do it. Nice work. Your latest report is getting better than before. I know you can do it. Nice work. Laporan terbaru kamu lebih baik dibanding sebelumnya. Saya tahu kamu bisa melakukannya. Kerja yang bagus. I have to say that you really know how to act. You will be an amazing actor. I have to say that you really know how to act. You will be an amazing actor. Saya harus bilang, kalau kamu benar-benar jago acting, kamu akan jadi aktor yang hebat. I saw the decoration you did yesterday in my wedding day. You did a splendid job. I saw the decoration you did yesterday in my wedding day. You did a splendid job. Saya melihat dekorasi yang kamu buat kemarin di hari pernikahan saya. Kamu melakukan pekerjaan yang luar biasa. Your painting is really fantastic. I have never seen anything like this before. Your painting is really fantastic. I have never seen anything like this before. Lukisan kamu benar-benar luar biasa. Saya tidak pernah melihat yang seperti ini sebelumnya. What a great performance! I was really amazed while watching your performance. What a great performance! I was really amazed while watching your performance. Benar-benar pertunjukan yang keren. Saya benar-benar takjub ketika menonton pertunjukan kamu. Your presentation is awesome. You are very good at that. Your presentation is awesome. You are very good at that. Presentasi kamu keren banget. Kamu jago banget dalam hal itu. Is she your sister-in-law? Apakah dia saudara iparmu? Is he smart? Apakah dia cerdas? Is your father a teacher? Apakah bapakmu guru? Are you busy? Apakah kamu sibuk? Are your friends happy? Apakah teman-temanmu senang? Are they famous? Apakah mereka terkenal? Am I beautiful? Apakah saya cantik? Am I a singer? Apakah saya seorang penyanyi? I'm super busy now. I am super busy now. Sekarang saya lagi sibuk banget. Someday you will see. Someday you will see. Suatu hari nanti, kamu akan mengerti. We are just friend. We are just friend. Kita cuma teman. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Jangan sentuh saya. Give it back to me. Give it back to me. Kembalikan ke saya. Mind your words. Mind your words. Pikirkan kata-katamu. Jaga bicaramu. What do you think? What do you think? Menurut kamu gimana? Where are you going tomorrow? Where are you going tomorrow? Kamu mau kemana besok? What did you say? What did you say? Kamu tadi ngomong apa? Where have you been? Where have you been? Kamu dari mana saja? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Kamu mau ikut aku? Come and go. Come and go. Datang dan pergi. It's okay, never mind. It's okay, never mind. Okay, nggak apa-apa. I have good news for you. I have good news for you. Saya punya kabar baik untukmu. All eyes are on me. All eyes are on me. Semua mata tertuju padaku. Don't be so jealous. Don't be so jealous. Jangan cemburu buta. How did you know that? How did you know that? Dari mana kamu tahu? Just wait and see. Just wait and see. Tunggu dan lihat aja nanti. Don't be offended. Don't be offended. Jangan tersinggung. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. Tak semudah itu. That's all from me. That's all from me. Itu aja dari saya. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. Jangan banyak bicara. Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally. Jangan dimasukkan ke hati. Don't take it into your heart. Don't take it into your heart. Jangan dibawa ke hati. How did you get here? How did you get here? Naik apa ke sini? How long does it take? How long does it take? Berapa lama perjalanannya? It's more than enough. It's more than enough. Ini sudah lebih dari cukup. Who said so? Who said so? Siapa yang bilang begitu? We sit down face to face. We sit down face to face. Kita duduk berhadap-hadapan. You can go to the station by bus. You can go to the station by bus. Kamu bisa pergi ke stasiun naik bis. Are you jealous with my friend? Are you jealous with my friend? Apakah kamu cemburu dengan teman saya? I'll let you know tomorrow. I'll let you know tomorrow. Saya akan beritahu kamu besok. You look sick. You look sick. Kamu kelihatan sakit. I don't like this city. I don't like this city. Saya tidak suka kota ini. It takes about 5 minutes to get there. It takes about 5 minutes to get there. Butuh waktu 5 menit untuk sampai ke sana. Please add some more sentences for our friends. Please add some more sentences for our friends. Tolong tambahkan beberapa kalimat lagi untuk teman-teman kita. Thank you. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Kamu lagi ngomong apa sih? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? Kamu lagi mikirin apa? Apa yang sedang kamu pikirkan? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Kamu ingin makan apa? What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? Kamu mau beli apa? How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? Kok bisa kamu melakukan hal ini ke saya? How do I look? How do I look? Bagaimana penampilanku? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? Bagaimana kamu berangkat sekolah? Naik apa kamu ke sekolah? Where did it happen? Where did it happen? Di mana itu terjadi? Can I talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to you for a minute? Bisa ngomong sama kamu sebentar? Who did you go with? Who did you go with? Kamu pergi dengan siapa? Who did you meet yesterday? Who did you meet yesterday? Kamu ketemu siapa kemarin? Siapa yang kamu temui kemarin? Can you speak French? Can you speak French? Bisakah kamu berbahasa Prancis? Can you speak this language? Can you speak this language? Apakah kamu bisa bahasa ini? Why are you so late? Why are you so late? Mengapa kamu sangat terlambat? Why do you come late? Why do you come late? Mengapa kamu datang terlambat? Have you been to Kota Tua? Have you been to Kota Tua? Apakah kamu pernah ke Kota Tua? Have you been to foreign countries? Have you been to foreign countries? Apakah kamu pernah ke luar negeri? How did you make it? How did you make it? Bagaimana kamu membuatnya? How did you do that? How did you do that? Bagaimana kamu melakukan itu? Did you call him last night? Did you call him last night? Apakah kamu nelpon dia tadi malam? Did you buy it online? Did you buy it online? Apakah kamu membelinya secara online? Why do you say so? Why do you say so? Kenapa sih kamu kok ngomong gitu? Why do you say so? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Di mana kamar pasnya? Where is the fitting room? Can you make it faster? Can you make it faster? Bisa nggak lebih cepat? Can you make it faster? Where did it happen? Where did it happen? Di mana itu terjadi? Can I talk to you in private? Can I talk to you in private? Bisa ngomong empat mata? Can I talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to you for a minute? Bisa ngomong sama kamu sebentar? Who did you go with? Who did you go with? Kamu pergi dengan siapa? Who did you meet yesterday? Who did you meet yesterday? Kamu ketemu siapa kemarin? Siapa yang kamu temui kemarin? May I ask you something? May I ask you something? Bolehkah saya menanyakan sesuatu ke Anda? May I have your number? May I have your number? Bolehkah saya minta nomor kamu? What's going on? What's going on? Apa yang terjadi? What's up? What's up? Ada apa? What are you doing? What are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? What are you eating? What are you eating? Apa yang sedang kamu makan? What time is it now? What time is it now? Jam berapa sekarang? What time is the film? What time is the film? Jam berapa filmnya? What day is today? What day is today? Hari ini hari apa? What day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? Hari apa kemarin? Kemarin hari apa? What did you say? What did you say? Apa yang kamu katakan? What did you do last night? What did you do last night? Apa yang kamu lakukan tadi malam? Are you busy at the moment? Are you busy at the moment? Apakah kamu sibuk saat ini? Are you okay now? Are you okay now? Apakah kamu baik-baik saja sekarang? Why? Mengapa? Kenapa? Why me? Kenapa saya? Why always me? Kenapa selalu saya? Why not? Kenapa tidak? Tell me why. Katakan padaku, kenapa? I don't know why. Saya tak tahu kenapa. I wonder why. Saya heran kenapa. Only God knows why. Hanya Tuhan yang tahu kenapa. Why is the sky blue? Kenapa langit itu biru? I also want to know why. Saya juga ingin tahu kenapa. Why do you love me? Kenapa kamu mencintai saya? Why don't you love me? Kenapa kamu tidak mencintai saya? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? What do you think of my idea? What do you think of my idea? How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you? Do you understand my explanation? Do you understand my explanation? Can I have some more? Can I have some more? Whose book is it? Whose book is it? Have you finished? Have you finished? Why do you come late again? Why do you come late again? Kenapa kamu datang terlambat lagi? How long have you been dating with him? How long have you been dating with him? Sudah berapa lama kamu pacaran sama dia? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Apakah saya salah? What is the end of this film? What is the end of this film? Apa akhir dari film ini? Will you pick me up at my place? Will you pick me up at my place? Apakah kamu akan menjemput saya di tempat saya? What will you have for breakfast tomorrow morning? What will you have for breakfast tomorrow morning? Kamu mau sarapan apa besok pagi? How do I look? How do I look? Bagaimana penampilanku? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Di mana kamar pasnya? Where is the fitting room? Can you make it faster? Can you make it faster? Bisa nggak lebih cepat? Can you make it faster? Why do you say so? Why do you say so? Kenapa sih? Kamu kok ngomong gitu? Why do you say so? Could you lend me some money? Could you lend me some money? Boleh nggak pinjam duitnya? Could you lend me some money? How do you know? How do you know? Kamu kok tahu? How do you know? Can you take me there? Can you take me there? Bisakah kamu antar saya ke sana? Can you take me there? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Kamu lagi ngomong apa sih? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? Kamu lagi mikirin apa? Apa yang sedang kamu pikirkan? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Kamu ingin makan apa? What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? Kamu mau beli apa? How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? Kok bisa kamu melakukan hal ini ke saya? What's on your mind? Apa yang kamu pikirkan? What have you been doing? Apa yang telah kamu lakukan? Where do they go every Sunday? Kemana mereka pergi setiap hari Minggu? Where did you buy that t-shirt? Di mana kamu membeli t-shirt itu? Where have you been? Kemana saja kamu? Who did you go with? Whom did you go with? Kamu pergi dengan siapa? Is that enough? Apakah itu cukup? Are you busy right now? Apakah kamu sibuk sekarang? Are you married? Apakah kamu sudah menikah? Can I help you? Bisakah saya membantumu? Can you take a picture of us? Bisakah kamu motretin kami? What's on your mind? Apa yang kamu pikirkan? What have you been doing? Apa yang telah kamu lakukan? Who comes late? Siapa yang datang terlambat? Who gave you this wedding invitation? Siapa yang memberi kamu undangan nikah ini? Who kicked the ball yesterday? Siapa yang menendang bola kemarin? Who kissed you last night? Siapa yang mencium kamu tadi malam? Who is that girl? Siapa gadis itu? Who is paying for this? Siapa yang membayar ini? Who is she talking to? Dengan siapa dia berbicara? Who is she thinking? Siapa yang sedang dia pikirkan? Who do you think you are? Menurutmu, kamu siapa? Who can help me today? Siapa yang bisa bantu saya hari ini? Who are they? Mereka siapa? Siapa mereka? Who are they pointing at? Mereka menunjuk siapa? Who will help her? Siapa yang akan membantu dia? Who will go with Anna to the party? Siapa yang akan pergi dengan Anna ke pesta? Who will go with me? Siapa yang mau pergi dengan saya? Whom is she talking to? Dengan siapa dia berbicara? For whom? Untuk siapa? Whom did you go with last night? Dengan siapa kamu pergi tadi malam? Which car is yours? Yang mana mobilmu? Mobilmu yang mana? Which class should I take? Kelas mana yang harus saya ambil? Which class should I teach? Kelas mana yang harus saya ajar? Which painting did your father buy? Lukisan mana yang ayahmu beli? Which book did you read last night? Buku yang mana yang kamu baca tadi malam? Are you coming with me? Kamu mau ikut saya? Have you heard from him? Kamu udah dapat kabar dari dia belum? Is that true? Apa itu benar? Are you coming with me? Kamu mau ikut bareng saya? Why not? Kenapa tidak? How could it be? Bagaimana mungkin? Which way should I take? Jalannya lewat mana ya sebaiknya? Jalan mana yang sebaiknya saya tempuh? What's your plan tonight? Apa rencanamu malam ini? What are you doing now? Kamu lagi ngapain sekarang? How did you know that? Dari mana kamu tahu itu? What's the result? Gimana hasilnya? What's on your mind? Apa yang kamu pikirkan? What have you been doing? Apa yang telah kamu lakukan? Where do they go every Sunday? Kemana mereka pergi setiap hari Minggu? Where did you buy that t-shirt? Di mana Anda membeli t-shirt itu? Where have you been? Kemana saja kamu? How could you do that? How could you do that? Kok bisa kamu ngelakuin hal itu sih? What's up? Ada apa? Who did you go with? Kamu pergi dengan siapa? Why will you sign this letter? Kenapa kamu akan tanda tangani surat ini? Why do we go this way? Mengapa kita lewat sini? Why do you love me? Mengapa kamu mencintai saya? Why does the cat keep snoring? Mengapa kucing itu terus mendengkur? Why does the sun go on shining? Mengapa matahari terus bersinar? Why is Amanda late? Mengapa Amanda terlambat? Why is he angry? Mengapa dia marah? Why did you break the glass? Mengapa kamu memecahkan gelas? Why did she give me this nice bag? Mengapa dia memberi saya tas yang bagus ini? Why did she change her hairstyle? Kenapa dia mengubah gaya rambutnya? Why did they invite you? Kenapa mereka mengundang kamu? Why did you do that? Kenapa kamu melakukan itu? Why are you telling me about this? Kenapa kamu memberitahu aku tentang hal ini? Why are you crying? Kenapa kamu menangis? Why do you love me? Mengapa kamu mencintaiku? Why don't you love him? Mengapa kamu tidak mencintai dia? Why did they come late? Mengapa mereka datang terlambat? Why didn't you come to my house last night? Mengapa kamu tidak datang ke rumahku tadi malam? Why is he angry? Mengapa dia marah? Why are you angry? Mengapa kamu marah? Who am I? Siapa saya? Who comes late? Siapa yang datang terlambat? Who gave you this wedding invitation? Siapa yang memberi kamu undangan nikah ini? Who kicked the ball yesterday? Siapa yang menendang bola kemarin? Who kissed you last night? Siapa yang mencium kamu tadi malam? Who is that girl? Siapa gadis itu? Who is paying for this? Siapa yang membayar ini? Who is she talking to? Dengan siapa dia berbicara? Who is she thinking? Siapa yang sedang dia pikirkan? Who do you think you are? Menurutmu, kamu siapa? Who can help me today? Siapa yang bisa bantu saya hari ini? Who are they? Mereka siapa? Siapa mereka? Who are they pointing at? Mereka menunjuk siapa? Who will help her? Siapa yang akan membantu dia? Who will go with Anna to the party? Siapa yang akan pergi dengan Anna ke pesta?
Who will go with me? Siapa yang mau pergi dengan saya? Whom is she talking to? Dengan siapa dia berbicara? Whom did you go with last night? Dengan siapa kamu pergi tadi malam? Which car is yours? Yang mana mobilmu? Mobilmu yang mana? Which class should I take? Kelas mana yang harus saya ambil? Which class should I teach? Kelas mana yang harus saya ajar? Which painting did your father buy? Lukisan mana yang ayahmu beli? Which book did you read last night? Buku yang mana yang kamu baca tadi malam?
Do you have an appointment? Apakah kamu punya janji? Do you know that woman? Apakah kamu kenal wanita itu?